Oh. Bro, you like this? Bro, you like this?
Crunch, crunch. Dali. Bite. Dali. Crunch. Kuya.
Ay, ginalaw. Ang galing mo, bro.
We're gonna visit the Stone Kingdom. Look at that. Hey. Oh. Oh, nice. This is the Igorot King's throne. Oh, we made it to the top of the Stone Kingdom. It's not that crowded. It's good to visit during the weekday.
I can see a nose.
Hey, bye! Hi! Nanay, hi! Action!
Toilet, dab, dab, dab. Skibidi toilet, dab, dab.
Skibidi toilet man!
Skibidi toilet, dab, dab, dab. Skibidi toilet, dab, dab, dab.
Oh. Smile! Hindi ka makita, nagtatago ka naman. So silly. Here na sa kabilang side, may castle. Cement castle. Ayan yung view ng Stone Kingdom from here. Very intricate yung architecture nila. Pinagpatong-patong ng mga bato. Tapos yung gold bridge na yun, tunay daw yan, may gold bridge daw talaga dati yung mga igurot. Gold made of solid gold. Maybe not solid kasi hindi na matibay yun. Hi Red! Oh, drone footage. Dito na kami sa panoramic view. Very nice. That's Apulakay, sun god of the Gurot or mga Ilocano. Look at that. Nice. Oh, kita yung ano, dagat. Akyat kami sa grotto.
Ay, iwanan natin mga bata.
Bis na maglakad, nag-drive kami. Drive lang. Ayun na yun. O, ayan na yung grotto, Lourdes Grotto. Nag-drive kami paakyat. Ayun dapat yung lalakarin mo. So, nag-drive na lang kami. O, na, let's go up. Si Red Log 2, si Mama Mary. Lourdes. The famous Lourdes Grotto in Baguio. Walang katao-tao today. You can light a candle here for 5 pesos. Nagbayad na ako dito. Our Lady of Lourdes established in 1907. Wow. Oh, pasok tayo sa chapel ng Our Lady of Lord, Kapilya ni Jesus at Maria. Bago lang pala ito, 2013, 2014. Wow, very nice. Twitter. Oh, the boy is awake. Give him food. Hindi ko na vlog na may laman. Hello, boy.
Sobrang sarap.
Yeah. Dito kumain si Erwan. Ed's Bacareta. Pinlag niya to. So, Blue found a beetle. Papa found a beetle. He gave it to Blue. Oh, alisin mo. Lagay mo sa palad mo. I think he's tired. He's tired. He's tired now. Ano yung kuya?
Ay, naku.
Flying bug. Dali, go there, go there. Ah, it's flying. What's the name of your beetle?
Bubble.
Babo.
Bubble. Or,
Can you hold it? Can you show me?
maybe I can name
Hold it. I want to see it in the camera.
Maybe I'm gonna name
Bring it
him
closer.
Charlie.
Like this. Charlie?
Yeah.
What? Is he still flying or he's tired?
Oh, he's tired.
Hindi. Lagay mo na sa tree.
No, this is my friend.
Nanay. Tayo ulit tayo dito. Ang daming tao. Aga naman. Queen bee pala yan, nanay. Queen bee. Oh, Blue, what's that?
This is not real. This is my
Yeah, he's gonna die. Oh, ano? He's trying yaki. Ano, asim? Ang tatay din. Ano yan?
Nangasim ako. Mukha niya. Kuya, tumapit ka, tumabit ka.
So we're here in the Sky Ranch Baguio. Mamaya na tayo mag-picture sa exit. Hindi naman tayo babalik dito. Oh. Alright. Cart may airplane.
Look, there's the small one. I can see it.
Oh, we're on the top. We're on the top of the... Oh, we're not really on the top.
Look.
Sa kabilang side na kami.
Gumagalaw na ulit yung
Oh,
boat.
yun yung moto. Hindi pa pwede baby dyan. Punta kami closing time, yan lang yung nasakyan namin. 50 pesos yung entrance, tapos 180 yung ride na yan. Iba-iba presyo per ride. Hindi namin nasulit. Antok, man. Okay, close na siya, kaibigan. 30 minutes lang kami nandito.